From Buddha Stories, retold by Demi. The Jatakas are the stories that the Buddha told his followers to teach the power of compassion, love, wisdom, and kindness. They were first written down about 430 AD. Since then, they have been translated into many languages. Each story has a moral or lesson at the end. The following are two examples of the Jataka tales. Falsehood. The Lion King. Once upon a time, a rabbit went to sleep under a coconut tree. When he woke up, a big coconut fell on the ground and exploded with a bang. At this sound, the rabbit jumped up and cried, "The earth is breaking up! The earth is breaking up!" He ran off as fast as he could, crying, "The earth is breaking up!" Soon another rabbit joined him, then another, until there were 100 rabbits running and crying, "The earth is breaking up!" A frightened deer heard their cries and joined in the flight, followed by a boar, an elk, a buffalo, an ox, a rhinoceros, a tiger, and an elephant. A lion king heard their cries and thought, "The earth is not breaking up. There is some mistake, and if I don't do something, they will all run into the river and drown." He ran in front of them and roared, "Stop! Who says the earth is breaking up?" The boar said. The rabbits said. The buffalo said. The elk said. The rhinoceros said. The ox said. The elephant said. The tiger said the earth was breaking up. All nodded and pointed to the rabbit first. "Is it true the earth is breaking up?" asked the Lion King. "Yes, O great lion, it is," said the rabbit. "I woke up from my nap and heard the sound of the earth breaking up." "Then," said the Lion King, "you and I will go back to the place where the earth began to break up and see for ourselves if it is true." With the rabbit holding on to his back, the Lion King ran off as fast as the wind to the coconut tree. When the Lion King saw the broken coconut, he said to the rabbit, "You silly rabbit, the sound of a coconut breaking up does not mean that the earth is breaking up." And they all ran back to the other animals to explain the mistake. When one person tells a falsehood, 100 repeat it as true. The Turtle and the Geese. A turtle lived in a pond at the foot of a hill. Two wild geese looking for food saw the turtle, and the turtle began talking with them. The next day the geese came again, and the turtle talked with them again, and soon all three were great friends. "Turtle friend," Mr. Goose said one day, "we have a beautiful home far away. We are going to fly there tomorrow. It will be a long but worthwhile journey. Do you want to come with us?" "How could I? I have no wings," said the turtle. "We could take you if you promise to keep your mouth shut and not say a word to anybody." "I can do that," said the turtle. "Take me with you." The next day the geese brought a stick, and each held one end of it. "Now," said Mr. Goose, "grip the middle of the stick with your mouth, and don't say a word to anybody until we reach home." The geese then sprang into the air with the turtle between them, holding fast to the stick. Children below saw the two geese flying with the turtle and cried out, "Look at the turtle up in the air! Did you ever see anything so silly in your whole life?" And the children broke into peals of laughter. The turtle's pride was deeply wounded, and he opened his mouth to say, "If I am carried on a stick, what business is it of yours?" But when he let go of the stick, he fell to his death. Disaster can come from opening your mouth at the wrong time. Discussion questions. Number 1. Think of a folktale or fable you have heard in which someone spreads a story that is not true. Describe how that tale is similar to the Lion King. Number 2. What is meant by disaster can come from opening your mouth at the wrong time? Give an example from your own experience.